So this is our new radar bracket from Scanstrut, and it's a self-leveling type, which means that the radar will always be in level with the horizon, even if the boat is heeling. So I think this is going to be really nice. We used to have the radar in the mast, but I think it's a better solution to have it here on the backstay, and also with the self-leveling function in it. So the first thing I need to do is to mount this bracket. And it's going to sit on the backstay chain plate like this. And then those aluminium extrusions are going to stand up here right next to the backstay. So I need to take up 2 small holes, put some threads in here so I can have 2 bolts, and I will bolt this in place. So now the 2 holes are drilled. I'm taking up the threads now with this tap. So now I just have to mount the bracket like this, set the bolts with some thread lock. So this is how the aluminium extrusion is going to sit. So there's 2 pieces like this. So this is the heart of the whole radar mount. This is what's keeping the radar level to the horizon. This axle here can move, and the actual mount for the radar sits down here. But because we're going to have the aluminium extrusions in front of the backstay, I need to move this piece to this side instead. So the next piece that goes on is the next aluminium extrusion. And there's another extrusion or aluminium piece that will sit between those 2 with 2 bolts in each of them. Put some Loctite on them, especially on these stainless threads that goes into the actual aluminium. So I mount everything down here, this whole piece, together with the bracket for the radar and the actual radar as well. And then I lift this whole piece up and connect it to the other extrusion, so it will be in the correct height. It's been raining quite a lot today, and there's not a lot of daylight left, so we'll see if I have to continue tomorrow maybe. It's a beautiful morning. And today I'll finish the work with the radar bracket. I'll use these bolts, one down here and one up here, to adjust the angle. So now this whole thing is ready to be lifted up and connected to the other extrusion. And after that, of course, I need to connect the power to the actual radar. Looks nice.